Today I want to show you how to make Zunda Mochi. This is one of my favorite sweets. And then it's made of edamame. I'm sure you have tasted edamame for many times with beer. It's also good. But today I will show you another way to enjoy edamame. Zunda Mochi is one of the local sweets. Actually, it came from Yamagata Prefecture. Yamagata Prefecture is located in the northern part of Japan. I'm sure you will be surprised to eat the different flavor of edamame. For tofu lovers, it's good news for you. Today, we make mochi with using tofu instead of using water. Especially today, we use silken tofu. But you can also use firm tofu, so please try it out. I like silken tofu. It has more smooth texture and it's good for the mochi. So how about adding special edamame sweets recipe in your list? So let's start cooking. Here are the ingredients. At first, heat the water to boil. Put edamame in a pot. Boil edamame for 3 minutes. Then take out edamame to the strainer. Lightly wash and drain the edamame. Then take out beans from each sheath and put the beans into the food processor and make it small. And I like this size. Then put the paste back in a bowl and sprinkle sugar over the paste. Then add soy milk and then mix well. I'll explain about the shiratama powder. It's a glutinous rice flour, and then it's a must to make mochi dumplings. You can buy this one at supermarkets or Asian supermarket or either Japanese supermarket. So please find shiratama powder. And you know what? I found very cute instructions. This says on August 8th is a day for dumplings because it looks like the two dumplings put together. That's so cute. I really like it. Now put the shiratama powder in a bowl and then add silken tofu in a same bowl. Then knead the dough with fingers. It might be a strange texture at first, but keep it dry. And here's a tip. When you make mochi, please make sure the texture is like a same softness as your earlobe. So here. I think it's safe. So that's how you check. Now make 6 bowls. And after making bowl, I like to push, like making hemoglobin. Then heat the water to boil again. Then prepare the ice cubes in a bowl. And put water in it. And put all mochi into the boiling water. Wait until all mochi starts floating. Then wait another 1 minute. Take out all mochi from the pot and put them into the water to cool. When all mochi get cooled down, drain and serve on a plate. And it's done. Hi, それでは完成しました。味見をしてみましょう。美味しそう。いただきます。枝豆のソースの味がこれは独特で私とっても好きです。枝豆ソースだけでも食べちゃいますね。塩を振って食べる枝豆も好きなんですけれども、砂糖と一緒に食べる枝豆もとっても美味しいんですよ。このお餅も水だけで作る時と違ってお豆腐が入っているのでとってもヘルシーな感じがします。また味もちょっと違います。だいたい3つがおやつのサイズだと思うので今日はここまでにしておきます。ごちそうさまでした。How was the Zunda Mochi recipe today? I hope you discovered a new way to cook edamame beans. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you will subscribe my channel. I try to upload as much as possible. Okay then, until next time, see you. Bye bye. Mario came into the kitchen. He knows the shooting was over. What a wise dog. Hi, Mario. And Luigi come. He always comes when Mario is cold. That's Luigi.